Hey yo, one more fucking song, Glasgow. I don't have the fucking words to express how the fuck this feels. Hey, we don't usually play for long enough to be able to do those songs, or a lot of these songs that we're playing on this shit, and having you motherfuckers go so hard for so fucking long. Yo, we would have gassed out long ago if it wasn't for you. We're all feeling it, we're all getting sick, we're all tired, we're all not sleeping well, but as soon as we step onto this fucking stage, we don't fucking care about that. We can't feel a thing. You motherfuckers make us feel weightless. So thank you for everything so far. Hey yo, this is like the best place to be, guys. What are you doing? On that, I am fucking terrified for this next song. But that does not mean I don't want to see more. I've seen crowd surfing, I've seen stage diving, I've seen moshing, but I need more! If you've been secure about your moments, this is the one! Just got 2 hours to be here today! Don't let it down! Everybody at the back! You wanna bring this shit in! Don't be scared! Alright, 110% plus ultra go! Watch the body! Thank you so much. That was something else.